We see a huge Memefi airdrop bonus 2 days ago, and everyone is talking about this. But guess what? This means a lot to us as miners because Bitcoin balance does not mean big dollar worth. In any case, the Memphis snapshot is now on the 6th of the month of November, that is next month, and let's hope that the team do not shift this again because the Memphis team is fond of shifting stuff. Nevertheless, shifting listing date is in no case a big deal, but as miners, this means two things to us. Number one, bad listing, which means things are not going as planned, and the Memphis team will just collect money off the table from miners and the community and move on to the next project. Secondly, good listing. Things are going as planned, but we need to concrete things right now and then make sure that the community get the best out of this very project, that is for the interest of the community. So this is what shifting means to us as miners. Number one, bad listing, and secondly, good listing. So in this video, let's discuss Memefi bonus for early adopters and Memefi coin ratio. What every 1 billion token that you have right now is going to worth as allocation when Memefi is going to do the allocation next month. And finally, Memefi price prediction. All of this in this video. Watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now for more crypto updates like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Don't forget to share the video with your friends, and also join the Telegram channel with a link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. If you take a look at the Memefi community, you see this very get your early adopter bonus now, and if you read this and come right down, you will see the categories. So the first league, join the app before May 17. Second one, join the app before June 13. And the third league is join the app before August 1st. Nevertheless, in any case, if you are mining Memefi before August 1st, follow this link and claim your bonuses. I believe a lot of us watching this video right now might have claimed those bonuses. But nevertheless, does this mean anything to us as miners? Maybe, okay, because Bitcoin balance, like I said earlier, does not mean big dollar worth. And that is what we're going to do right now. So if you take a look at this very calculation, is very important for us to know that the Memefi total supply is 10 billion, which we need to take note of. But the Memefi team have already specified that they're going to give 90% of this 10 billion to the community. What that means is 9 billion is going to go to airdroppers, both people that are doing the airdrop on Web3 and also on the Telegram mini app. But in any case, let's say that the Memefi team want to release everything into circulation. That is 10 billion. So that will be on the safe side. So if they release 10 billion of the entire total supply into circulation, do you think this token can do 0.01? Now, from recent listing of Web3 project, we see the market capitalization range between $30 million in market capitalization to $100 million. Memefi is not going to do over $100 million. The possibility is there, but that is not what I'm expecting. If Memefi do over $100 million, kudos to the team. But I am expecting something very, very low than that. And that is why I am keeping my own price prediction to be 0.005 to give us a $50 million market capitalization on Memefi, and things can get juicy to 0.009, which is a $90 million market capitalization, and up to 0.01. This is my highest, okay, to get a $100 million market capitalization on this very token during listing. And this is very, very possible, okay, and this is my highest possible scenario right now. But in any case, I am working with 0.205, which is $50 million market capitalization if the entire 10 billion of this very token is in circulation. And this is very important. Now, you see, Memefi have already given all the early adopters bonuses, and your coin balance have triple or double. But in any case, what this means is the Memefi team are going to drastically reduce every of these very coin. And I come up with a very simple ratio. If we have over 10 billion, okay, that's going to be in circulation, and right now we have about 28 million people that have participated in this very airdrop. So if you divide 9 billion, which is what they're going to be giving to airdroppers, 9 billion divided by 28 million, you're going to have 321 token for each person on average. We know that different people do this and join the airdrop different times. So our coin balance will not be the same and our reward will not be the same as well. But this is the average right now per 1 billion. In any case, if I keep this very simple, I am looking at 250, okay, per billion. So for every billion token, that is 1 billion token that you have right now, look at Memefi giving you 250 token, okay, as allocation for every 1 billion. Is very possible because you need to keep things very simple and low. So if you have this as allocation for every 1 billion, if you multiply this by 25, okay, so let's say you have 25 billion, this is the allocation you're going to have as your token allocation. That is 6,250 token. And if you have 50, that is 50 billion, you're going to have 12.5k. And if you have 100 billion, which people do, you're going to have 25,000 of this very token as allocation. This is my lowest, okay? So there's a possibility of them giving 250 for every 1 billion token. Nevertheless, if we go up a little bit, which we are not overshooting, at 500 for every 1 billion. So 500 for every 1 billion token is going to give you 25. Let's say you have 25 billion. So 25 billion is going to give you 12,500 token as allocation. And if you have 100 billion, it's going to give you 50,000 token as allocation. And this is very important. So let's say, for example, you have 25 billion of the token already, and for every 1 billion, you are getting 500 of this token as allocation. So if you have 25, then if you are getting this, then from the price prediction, we are looking at 0.005. So this is what you will be getting as the dollar value, which is $62.5. This is what I am expecting right now, to be very, very precise on this very airdrop. And things can go a little bit juicy upward, which can get us to 0.009, and you have 112, and we can also have 0.01, which is what I am expecting to be my highest price prediction, which will give you $125. Guys, please keep things very simple right now because things can go south and things can go far way up north. Nevertheless, we need to keep things very simple. So what I am expecting from the Memefi team is 250 token for every 1 billion token that you have right now, or they do 500 token for every 1 billion token. This is very possible. They can as well do 1,000, but that is not what I'm expecting right now. I'm keeping my expectation between 250 and 500. And then if you have this multiplied by the token allocation that you are going to get based on the number of billion of token that you already have, which can be 50 billion or 25 billion or 100 billion. Some person can even get 250 billion, which is possible. We see that in the ranking, and this is very, very important. So this is what you need to do right now if you want to increase your coin allocation, is to step up your mining game and start mining aggressively in the next 6 to 10 days, so that when this allocation is going to be done, you're going to be in the right chance of getting a chunk amount of this very token. And this is what we need to keep our eye on as airdroppers at the moment. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Also join our Telegram channel for more crypto update news and technical analysis. Link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching